Good night, McCall. Good night, Sarah. Good night, Seaweed. Grenache. Good night. Inferno, Nightfall. Good night. Night. Your birthday is tomorrow. Piggy's out. Piggy's out. Who let the piggies out? Hey, y'all. What is going on, beautiful people? This is Garrick Brown Art Studios, and I am back with another video, this time with 9 other amazing artists. We are going to have a good time. We are celebrating This Little Pigment turns 1, and we are just going to have a good old time at the beach. Yes, some other amazing artists are going to create some wonderful things, and this is just my portion. So my time is short, so we're going to go ahead and get started. We do have a couple of housekeeping rules just for this video. There is an amazing prize package at the end of this collaboration. The details are below, but you're going to need a code word from each video, also known as our favorite piggies, and that is coming right up, so you have to stay tuned. Last but not least, remember, family, do every single thing with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. All right, we actually gonna get started for real this time. Let's go. All right, beautiful people. I have mixed up the majority of my paints. However, I have left out 1 tube paint and 1 pigment so that you can see my process. So I'm going to be using some turquoise blue by Amsterdam, and I'm also going to be using tail feather by TLP, also known as This Little Piggy. So my pouring medium today is a 1-to-1 ratio of the Behr Premium Plus Deep Base 8300 and the American Floetrol. I have added some GAC 800 to my liking, and I have poured it all in here to make it easy for pouring. So today we're going to do some rough measurements. We're going to do about a 3-to-1 ratio. So 3 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. Got a nice good flow going here. This paint will thicken up a little bit over time. I'm just going to use a little bit of GAC 800, not much. And we have our pigments here. So you want, this is all subject to the potency that you want, so you really kind of have to find your way with these, in my opinion. So I'm going to disperse these by using a little GAC 800. What you want to do is get all these pigments wet and get it mixed up as good as possible, and then go in and add your pouring medium. Just going to add a little bit of the GAC 800. We're going to mix this up, get everything wet. Today, we're using a total of 3 piggies. I am using the King of Pain. I'm also using some taffy. And we've already seen our tail feather. So the theme I am going for today is 2 oceans, 1 beach. I want to create 2 different types of effects today. I'm giving you the 2 different types of ocean, but all on 1 beach or canvas. I'm going to take you down the color train. So we're going to start things off. This is our King of Pain. This is Titanium White and Artist Loft Acrylic Flow. I'll start things off with a little King of Pain here. Next up is the magic sauce, commonly known as the cell activator, and we're going to put a thick line of our cell activator down. So I'm going to take my swiper and I'm just going to pull down. Loving that action, guys. All right, let's go for the second part here. I am loving this piece so far. I'm loving the cells, especially right in here, because they get a little wonky, but it really, to me, flows like a majestic ocean. Like, I feel like I'm in the deep part of the ocean, but the sand is actually right up under here. Let me get you guys in for a close-up. Check out those gorgeous cells and lacing. Now, I kind of don't like this tail right here, so I'm going to have to fix this. But you can see some gorgeous lacing here. And some peacock cells have tried to pop up. Alright, folks. We made it. The third time was a charm this time. I like this. I think I'm going to do some embellishment here. But I love the overall piece. Love the colors. Look at my King of Pain just showing out here. And my taffy. It's just giving me the heebie-jeebies. I didn't leave any time for a good outro, so bye. Don't forget to check out the other amazing artists. I hope you're having a wonderful, amazing day.